Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the private island in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to unlock private island, you need to reach level 30. As you can see, now I'm level 30 of my DG member level. And once you reach level 30, you will automatically unlock the private island feature. And then you will get this item, guys. Okay, and you can place this item in your home. Then if you want to go to your private island, you can click on this icon. Okay. But wait, this item is called the Island Management Terminal. Okay, I'm just going to click on this icon and it will bring you to your private island. And in your private island, guys, you'll be able to build your house. Okay, and this is my private island. I've already built my house here. I'm just using my blueprint. If you don't want to build from zero, you can use your blueprint. Okay, you can apply your blueprint. Just click on view and select apply blueprint. And you need to expand your plot if you want to build a bigger house. I'm going to expand the area. All right, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the private island in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.